Top 5 Best RTX 3060 Graphics Cards. Number 5. Palit GeForce RTX 3060 Dual 12GB, excellent price to performance. The Palit GeForce 3060 isn't the best GPU in this article, however, it is the most budget-tailored, bringing great price to performance to the table. Like many of the RTX 3060s in this guide, the Palit comes equipped with an effective cooling solution that boasts two large 90mm fans. To increase the airflow for the Palit 3060, cut-through holes have been made to allow air to easily pass over the board. Whilst aesthetics aren't a priority with this GPU, the Palit still offers several RGB zones that do give it some aesthetic appeal. Sticking with the cooling, Palit has equipped its 3060 with 0 dB tech fans, allowing you to perform less intensive tasks in silence. Like many GPUs in this guide, the fans will boot up again in more demanding scenarios. You'll be able to customize the Palit 3060 via the Thundermaster software application. This easy-to-use software allows you to alter LED and even overclock your GPU for additional performance power. All this comes at a very affordable price tag, especially when compared to the others in this guide. If you want a budget-tailored GPU, then this could be exactly what you're looking for. Pros: affordable pricing, decent clock speeds, effective cooling. Cons: basic design. Coming in number 4, EVGA GeForce RTX 3060 XC Gaming. A great RTX 3060 GPU, EVGA is one of the most popular brands when it comes to manufacturing top-tier graphics cards. So, it was absolutely no surprise that the EVGA XC Gaming ranks so highly on our list. Despite the EVGA only offering a simple dual-fan design, it still helps keep the internal temperature of this GPU at decent levels. The dual fans are larger than the triple fan coolers you've seen in this guide, operating at lower levels for good results. The all-metal backplate not only adds rigidity and strength to this GPU's design but also adds a nice sleek styling that is most certainly understated. Furthermore, with EVGA's air-through PCB design, air can more easily dissipate from this GPU in the heat of battle. The RTX 3060 XC Gaming GPU also offers 1882 MHz boost clock and an excellent, user-friendly software suite to help customize the GPU to your exact requirements. Granted, this GPU isn't as flashy as others in this guide, but it still offers a fantastic experience for users that prioritize performance over flamboyant features. Pros: decent value for money, strong all-metal backplate, great build quality, custom-designed PCB for additional airflow. Cons: only offers dual-fan design. Coming in number 3, Asus TUF Gaming NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 OC Edition. Best value for money RTX 3060. The Asus TUF Gaming RTX 3060 is the budget-tailored option within the RTX 3060 lineup from Asus. This OC edition ticks all the right boxes if you can't quite stomach the cost of the more premium ROG Strix option. Like all RTX cards, it offers NVIDIA Ampere streaming multiprocessors, 2nd Gen RT cores, 3rd Gen Tensor cores, and an incredibly well-built design. The Asus TUF comes with an understated design that doesn't show off in any way. The black theme is great for all black builds and gives your PC a level of sophistication. An all-new metal shroud is what covers the 3 powerful Axial Tech fans, providing a nice aesthetic that is both slick and robust. The fans utilize durable dual-ball fan bearings that have been optimized for efficiency and a reduction in turbulence. Some of the additional features of this card include TUF-tailored components, Auto Extreme technology, and a reinforced backplate for additional rigidity. Like the ROG card, the fans spin bidirectional for additional airflow and greater contact with the heatsink, allowing the card to sit at optimal levels for longer. Pros: good value price tag, triple fan cooling design, solid build quality, premium Axial Tech fan design. Cons: lacks premium features found on ROG Strix model. Coming in number 2, MSI RTX 3060 Gaming X Trio 12G, the best RTX 3060 runner-up. Over the years, MSI has brought to life some of the best GPUs the market has to offer. Their Gaming X Trio RTX 3060 is another fine example of that fantastic quality. And despite MSI coming under criticism in recent history, they're still one of the best in the game when it comes to GPU manufacturing. As far as performance goes, the MSI Gaming X Trio is a careful balance between boosted clock speeds and fantastic cooling. It offers a similar triple fan solution to that of the ROG Strix, providing excellent efficiency during usage. The TRX 4.0 fins are bound together to help more accurately direct the air over the heatsink. An anti-bend bar has been implemented in the design of this GPU for additional rigidity and strength. Alongside this, you can fit the reinforced case bar that comes with the GPU, but it isn't always necessary. For inputs, the MSI features 3x DisplayPort 1.4 and 1x HDMI 2.1, providing good versatility for gamers that have multiple devices and require additional bandwidth support. Pros: quiet triple fan cooling solution, gaming aesthetic, attractive RGB, Trifrozer 2 fan design. Cons: on the large side. Coming in number 1, Asus ROG Strix NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 OC Edition, Best RTX 3060 Graphics Card. The Asus ROG Strix RTX 3060 is not only the best Asus 3060, but it's also the outright best RTX 3060 graphics card the market has to offer. It combines sleek aesthetics, powerful clock speeds, and a strong build that really makes it an efficient operator. Along with its iconic RGB lighting to add some color and personalization, the ROG Strix OC Edition is the most powerful RTX 3060 the company offers. Boasting high clock speeds of 1912 MHz, OC Boost Mode, or 1882 MHz, Game Mode. Alongside impressive clock speeds, this GPU also features 12GB of GDDR6 VRAM, has an incredibly strong internal design, and features a cooling solution that is easily one of the best on the market. The Axial Tech cooling design has a newly tuned shape alongside a reverse central fan which allows for better airflow and considerably less turbulence. This, in turn, results in a cooler and quieter experience. The heatsink hidden below the fans is a larger version than what we've seen in the past, offering better coverage and a greater reduction in overall temps. The 2.7-slot GPU from Asus is easily one of the most attractive looking in this guide. Once you pair that with the performance boosting changes that have been implemented from yesteryear's RTX 2060, it's easy to see why this great card gets our top spot. Pros: premium new age design, very efficient cooling, Axial Tech fan design. Excellent build quality. Cons: on the expensive side.